Hi, it's Patrick from Shift4. In this episode of Shift4 Academy, we're showing you everything you need to know to win chargeback disputes. Watch this video to learn how Shift4 makes the process simpler. Let's start with a quick reminder. What is a chargeback? Chargebacks are a form of customer protection. They provide a way for a customer to dispute a charge on their card. They are intended to be used in cases of fraud. However, sometimes they are overused, which is why it's important for merchants to understand how to win chargeback disputes. Winning a chargeback dispute usually comes down to one specific thing: sufficient evidence. If you, the merchant, are able to provide clear evidence that the charge was legitimate, your likelihood of winning a chargeback dispute is very high. So first and foremost, gather the evidence. Here's a list of information you should include in your dispute form: the product description and URL, as well as any links associated with that product, the customer's name, the IP address, signatures, billing addresses, receipts. They could be scanned or screenshots, plus documentation of any communication that you've had with the customer. This could include emails, chats, audio recordings, etc., as well as any other relevant information that you deem necessary. When dealing with physical products, it's also important to include information related to shipping: your shipping address, the date of delivery, shipping documents, signatures proving that the product was delivered and received, tracking numbers, as well as information about the carrier, for example, FedEx, UPS, or DHL, and anything proving that the product was successfully delivered to the end customer. For offline services, of course, the date of the service, contracts, or any other documents. For digital products, you need to prove that the customer used your product. So collecting server logs, download history, and so on will come in handy. Second, organize the evidence. Once you've collected the evidence that shows that the charge being disputed is legitimate, the next step is to organize this evidence. Put everything together in a structured and easy to follow way, ideally in a single PDF document. Now, while the collection and organization of evidence can seem daunting, if you partner with a reputable payments provider like Shift4, the process becomes much simpler. Shift4's chargeback representment form is simple to understand and guides you through the ideal structure for all your evidence. Third, time to submit your chargeback dispute. Once your evidence has been collected and organized, it's time to submit your chargeback dispute. With Shift4, this process is very simple. All documents are submitted on the merchant's behalf via our representment form. In addition to the benefit of convenience, working with a best-in-class payment platform like Shift4 significantly increases your chances of winning chargeback disputes. Shift4 features like card authorization and capture, sophisticated and highly effective anti-fraud tools, and 3D Secure all shift the liability from the acquirer to the issuing bank, which helps to keep your business safe and secure. Thank you for joining us to learn more about chargebacks. Now that you have the knowledge and understanding of this process, you're well armed to win chargeback disputes. Check out our website or contact us if you have further questions.